तेज बोलो सिकरा।
आइटम नंबर 1 माननीय वित्त मंत्री श्रीमती निर्मला सीतारमण जी।
It's a growth-oriented budget. Clearly, the government is on a growth path. Consistently, the government is on a growth-oriented budget. Last year also we had a growth-oriented budget. Even this year we have a growth-oriented budget. For the general population also it is very good. Government has agreed to forego a large amount of direct tax, which is over 35,000 crores, which means there is more money in the pocket of the common man.
I think it's one of the very balanced budget. It takes care of the fiscal deficit, it is inclusive, and most importantly, it continues all the good work which has been done in the past budgets, especially with regard to the capex spend and support for the manufacturing and the job creations.
The huge amount of capex which government has announced, 30% higher probably. Second thing is that they have slashed import duty on many raw material, which is sending the message that government is giving its focus that we want to make India as a manufacturing hub, and these are the steps which needs to be taken. And of course these are the few steps, but and we will see slew of measures coming up. Giving thrust to MSME also is one point emerging from this budget. And the last one is that giving relief in direct taxes to the individual taxpayer. So in all these things, under the circumstances, I would say markets have found this budget very positive.
बहुत ही अच्छा हुआ है। जिस हिसाब से हम लोगों का सैलरी स्लैब है और जिस हिसाब से महंगाई बढ़ती जा रही है, इसमें गवर्नमेंट ने जो 7 लाख रुपए तक का रिबेट दिया है, इसमें स्टैंडर्ड डिडक्शन भी लगाएंगे 50,000 का, तो इस बिकम 7,50,000। तो ये काफ़ी अच्छा रहेगा कि एक आम आदमी को बहुत ही ज़्यादा रिलीफ मिलेगा, क्योंकि अपने आप को दिल्ली जैसे शहर में या फिर सुपर सिटी शहरों में अपने आप को सर्वाइव करने में उसको मौका मिलेगा।